Are you tired of hitting fat and thin shots when you do your pitches? Okay, I'm going to teach you how to do it. The first thing to understand is think of the seesaw, okay? If there was a seesaw and I was sitting over here, that end would go up, and if I was sitting here, this end would go up. Now, the secret to chipping or pitching is we need this club to come down, okay? So in order for this club to come down, this end has to go up. And so what we do for our pitch shot is what we want to do right when we get about here. In order for this club to go down, we want to stand up a little bit and allow that club to go down, okay? And when that club goes down, then we want to pivot and turn. So it's going to stand up and turn, okay? So here is a simple pitch. Set the ball just right of center is the B, L is lean, and T is tilt. We don't want too much. Now we're going to work on standing and pivoting. And so when you stand up, that's what lets this club go down. When you stand here and try to get underneath the golf ball, you're going to bottom out. And so in order to bottom out here, we need to stand up and we need to turn through the shot. And that's the secret to pitching, okay? Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel because every week I'll be putting out a new video so that you can try them out on the golf course or the driving range. Also, if you want more information, check out my website at www.joeparkgolf.com where you can find all my contact information. Thanks for watching.